Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, if you are trying to create a Telegram account or you are trying to log in Telegram account on your device but you're facing the pop-up that says too many attempts, please try again later, and you are unable to log in your Telegram account or you are unable to create a Telegram account, here I will show you how can you fix this issue and how can you log in or create your Telegram account very easily. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply change your internet connection and again check if the problem is fixed or not. So guys, change your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then use mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then use Wi-Fi or use another Wi-Fi to create or log in your Telegram account. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply change your device. So guys, change your device and create account on another device, and after this log in your account on your device again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply delete or clear app data on your device for one time as well. So guys, for that you have to simply clear app data or delete the app for one time from your device, and after this install the app again on your device as well. So guys, install the updated version again and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device, and if there is any connected VPN on your device, then disconnect it and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to Telegram support section, and then you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Telegram team, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, you have to simply wait for 24 hours, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.